Welcome back, everybody. Hope your day's going great. Today I'm going to try 2 different ways of making tomato sauce the easy way. The first way I'm going to try is you cook up your tomatoes till they're soft, and then you take an immersion blender and all your skins just blend up with it. I made a mess. Just remember, don't pull your immersion blender out of the... I saw Rachel on That 1870s Homestead and Becky from the Acre Homestead do it this way. They're really great channels. We tried it and didn't like the texture of the seeds still in it, so I'm just showing you here a little just regular food meal. If you have carpal tunnel like I do, I wouldn't recommend this. The Victorio is a lot easier to use, but it does the job. This is the way I do it. This is the second way. I use the Victorio food meal. Here Daniel is running them through for me. But this is a lot easier to turn and gets the job done quicker. Now, if you'll drain the juice from your sauce, you won't have to cook it down as long. And you'll have tomato juice to can up too. And here is the first way and the second way. I didn't get as much on the second one because I used half the tomatoes for salsa. Here I'm putting a half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in the jars. You don't have to add salt, but you need to add lemon juice or citric acid one. Fill your jars to a 1/2 inch head space. Debubble. Wipe the rim of your jar, put a lid and a ring on to fingertip tight, and put it in your canner. I put about a tablespoon of vinegar in my water bath canner. That keeps your jars clean and they don't get like a cloudy white looking mineral deposit on it. bring your canner up to a rolling boil. For pints under 1,000 feet, it's 35 minutes, and for above 1,000 feet, it's 40 minutes. And there you have it. I got 14 pint jars of tomato sauce and 5 quarts of tomato juice. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.